Hello, morning of day 2. I have to admit I'm a bit sore. I'm not actually in my gym gear yet. I've got some meetings to go to, but then I am going later. But I just thought I'd let you know how I'm doing and how last night went for me. I was a bit sore, so sleeping was a bit difficult. And I'm a bit sore still, so I'm going to be a bit stiff. But I'll let you know how the next session goes, which I think is going to be fantastic. I'll see you then. Hello, so I'm in my gym gear now. I'm going to do a fantastic workout with Lucy. Hey. So we're going to give this a go and we'll let you know how it goes afterwards. Hi, so I've just finished my abtastic workout. It's quite challenging, but it was good. I definitely can feel the pain a bit. My legs are still a bit sore, and I'm sure my stomach will hurt a bit later as well. I'm going to be going to step and tone later, so hopefully that will stretch out a bit more. Definitely feel better for having gone. So if you see me about, just pop me a message, come say hi, and come along with me next time. Bye. So I've just been to Step and Tone, definitely the best one so far. Lots of loud music, lots of like jumping around and dancing. It was really good, everyone enjoyed themselves, so definitely look that one up for next week because you should all definitely accompany me to that one. Had the lovely Naomi with me today and Lucy. Just jumping in.
Feel amazing!
So yeah, feel a bit loosened up now, but I'll let you know how I feel tomorrow, so keep an eye out for that one as well. I'll see you for now.